doing, boy? Hi, Jack. Hey. What you doing? What you doing, little buddy? What you doing? Hey. Woof. Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Got the old Mongo man here on his way to the garage before dinner. Yeah, I always do that to you, don't I? Put you right in the sun like that. Makes me look good, but you probably can't see me. So tonight, in an extension of what we did last night, we are going to finish, hopefully, the engine stand. And by finish the engine stand, I mean we're going to install these. And what those are, there's that sun again, trying to keep you out of it. The insulation pays off in the garage because it's nice and cool in here right now. And it's been 80 some degrees today. So what's in the bag is these bad boys. So we got 2 of the swiveling and 2 of the non-swiveling. So that's what we got to install here tonight. And then I want to get inside the boat and see what we can find out about that transom. Maybe see what's going on with it. So, all right, come along for the ride. Let's see what Mongo gets done tonight. Hey, what's up, YouTube? We're in the boat now. Got the engine mount done. It's down there on the ground. Looking pretty, all over there on the side, out of the way for now. But right now, I want to show you guys something. This is what happens to a boat if it's left out in the rain, if it's left wet over a long period of time. What happens, it's not so much leaving it wet, it's it being wet in the middle of winter, and that water is allowed to get into places and freeze. And when it does freeze, well, what you get is motor mounts that most likely don't have any wood in them. This one over here, just the same. And this is why we're gone this far. And then the transom, this is the bottom of the transom right here. As you can see, it's rotten. Stick it over there. It's done. So what's going to happen, just like I said, all that's going to have to come out. And actually, it doesn't look too bad at all, now that the motor's out, of course. I'll get all of these fixtures out of here, all of the wiring harnesses, and then measure everything out. I'll figure out where it all belongs, what it all does, and then we'll pull that transom out of there. So the transom, I don't know how far it's going to be bad, but if you can see, it's 2 pieces of wood, and that center piece isn't as big as you might think it is. It actually ends there, and this goes right over to here. So I'm sure it goes all the way across, but I'm hoping that it's not bad all the way across. But we'll see. Once we get into it, we'll figure out what's going on there. I'm willing to bet it's most likely just that center section, you know, essentially from here over to here. It's bad, so we'll find out. That's for sure. All right, back out of the boat. I want to give you guys a real quick walk around of the new engine stand, let you see what I did and what it looks like. So this is what we came up with. Again, it's all made out of pallet racking. I did add a couple pieces of angle iron. You see one piece of angle iron right there underneath of that body mount. Don't pay any attention to that weld. There's some prettier ones down there you can look at. But you can see it's all made out of pallet racking. It's welded together. The motor is perched upon it pretty well. The Harbor Freight dolly wheels that I used are supposed to be good for 350 pounds each, but it's not as easy to roll around as you think it might be. It actually, it's pretty laborious to get it to roll around, but hey, it moves. I just pushed it over here to where we could see it, to where I could get some video of it. As you can see there, the mount itself looks pretty good. it's not going to go over. It is a little front heavy. If I would have had it to do over, I would have come down here at an angle and put those front wheels maybe 4 or 5 inches further forward than where they're at. And that's not to say that I couldn't do that if I wanted to, but right now I don't want to. So I'm not gonna. If it ends up on its front, well then I'll be a little upset with myself that I didn't do it, but for now, that's what you get. And that is the Chevy 350 sitting on it with the OMC bell housing. Of course, you see the OMC exhaust manifolds on it, the quadrajet carburetor. But yeah, so it works. Moving around the shop now. Won't be stuck in one place. I can get it out of the way when we need to. So, all right, I'm actually going to go do a little bit of lawn mowing. Just because I do have tomorrow off. KJ has a playoff game. So maybe I'll make it out here in the morning a little bit. I want to clean the interior of that boat out, get the rest of the garbage out of there, and then I can measure up all those motor mounts and figure out where all that stuff is and start cutting it out of there. So, yep, that's it. Mongo Man is out. Thanks, guys. Talk to y'all later.